All right, you guys, oh, happy day. Here we are. It is Monday. I want to talk with you about the difference between being busy versus being productive. There's a lot of things that will bring you value. Keep watching. We're going to drop it. Get ready, all right? So when you first start the telespace career, or a face-to-face insurance agent job, you're just like, wow, this is going to be awesome. I can't wait to make piles of money, all right? And then you get into the reality of what it is. And you're like, wow, so I got to call a bunch of people. This is not fun, right? Or, oh, I've got to go door knock. This stinks. So I'd rather go into my safe place of distraction, my safe place of not doing the most important things because I feel good because I can control the outcome. Am I right? You'd rather overanalyze the carriers instead of actually like getting after it. You cannot ever let busy work affect the real work. Productive habits. Make sure that you're doing the productive things that give you income, that give you the chance to succeed in what you do. Don't be busy doing busy work. Do busy work before 8 o'clock or after you're off work. Do this kind of stuff on the weekends. Do that on your free time. Do not neglect the most important thing at every given minute. If you're in a telespace, if you're in the telespace like what I do, in the agency, my national agency, jasonfinalexpense.com, we work hard, we do amazing things. But let me tell you, we do the most important thing at every given minute. We don't make excuses. We love what we do. We're in the trenches of the telesales space, taking care of sweet people. But we're not lazy, and we're not doing busy work for the sake of doing busy work. We're not at the water cooler, okay, pouring little 4-ounce bottles or little cups, okay, of water all day. We're not playing around talking about football. We have fun, but guess what we're doing? We're dialing. We're grabbing this thing called a phone, and we're using it, okay? If you want to call carriers, do that before 8 o'clock. If you want to go, work on little things that aren't income-producing activities, always ask yourself, is this an income-producing, profitable activity, or is this nothing more than busy work? So many agencies, so many, MLMs are so busy with the rah-rah, These meetings that your managers create to somehow make them valuable in your life some way, A lot of times, honestly, it's a time suck. It's not income-producing activities. They have these meetings a couple times a week for an hour that somebody will get up and start running the yapper. If it's not helping you become more productive doing what you do, serving sweet people, serving the greatest generation on the dang planet, then it's a waste of your time. Focus on things that are bringing value to your consumer. Focus on things that are making you as an agent more productive, because if you're more productive for your consumer and you meet their needs in major ways, guess what's going to happen to your income? Whoop! You're compensated better because you're better at handling their needs. You're serving them in a better way, a sharper fashion. Anything that costs you money, anything that lowers your production in the telespace or the insurance final expense space is negative. It may sound good, It may be like, wow, I'm going to go work on this carrier. Wow, I'm going to go work on this CRM and I'm going to go dial stuff in. Is it making you money or is it really just costing you money? Don't be distracted. Don't be distracted. Distractions will cost you so much in the final expense insurance space, whether you're doing face-to-face or the telespace. Let me tell you, distractions will cost you more than you know. You can't afford it. You cannot afford it. As a new agent or even a veteran, you cannot afford distractions. Don't be distracted by busy work. Put busy work before your day, at the end of your day, or go do it on the weekend. Unproductive habits will make unproductive, unprofitable income. And nobody wants that. You don't want that. I don't want that. Okay? Quit doing busy work, you guys. These meetings that you have at these MLMs just to drink the Kool-Aid, okay, to give your manager something to do. Let me tell you, if he's not bringing it or she's not bringing it as your manager, they should be bringing you valuable nuggets to help you succeed, to make your clients' lives better, your careers better, to make more income for you, your family, and to make your clients happier folks. Are they better with the claims? Are they bringing value to you? Or is it just a Kool-Aid drinking rah-rah session? Okay? Eliminate rah-rah. Eliminate it. Get into income-producing activities. If that meeting was an hour, don't you think you'd be more productive if you're a face-to-face agent actually, like, God forbid, setting appointments for an additional 60 minutes? That's an income-producing activity. That's a needs-based activity, right? You're going to get in front of your consumer because you spent 60 more minutes on the phone loving on them, finding out what they wanted, and getting an appointment to get a sit, to get, okay, a sell, because you did income-producing activities. Or you could be in a meeting. Ooh, yay. Wow. Clap fest. Oh, that's great. Oh, let's have book club. Wow. Sounds like a drag. Okay? You're boring me already. This is not income-producing activities. Always, always have your eye on the most important thing. And the most important thing for your consumer, followed by you, okay? Followed by everything else. Your consumer first, you second, okay? And then everything else. When you are an agent, income-producing activities are paramount. You have to be focused. In the final expense insurance market, you have to be focused on the most important things at every given minute. Do not be distracted by all this mind-numbing work. If you're at the water cooler at your agency, your MLM guys, and you're filling your little 3-ounce cup, because you know those things are small, okay? Come on. I'm like half a camel drinking water. Those things are tiny. But if you're at the water cooler because, oh, it's more comfortable to be at the water cooler, okay, shooting the breeze with your coworkers, instead of doing the uncomfortable thing of getting hung up on, okay, told to go somewhere and it's not heaven, okay? You know what I'm talking about on the telespace, or even when you're booking appointments. It's uncomfortable, right? You have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. The margin between success and failure in this space is sometimes thinner than you might know. But let me tell you, have good mentors in your life that are willing to lead the charge, not just sit behind a desk all day. There's a lot of people that just want to sit behind a desk and have you go work. That's great. They better be bringing some value, let me tell you. I work with my men and women in the trenches of the telespace. That's what we call it. We love what we do. It's so fun serving them. But we work together. We're like a unit. It is so much fun to serve folks, but we do it together. I've worked in agencies in the past where the manager has not sold insurance for a decade. Barely doesn't even know what contracts look like. And they're going to get up for an hour and try to tell me or you how to sell insurance. Are you kidding me? They don't even know they can barely spell insurance, okay? They can spell override. They spell that really well. But they don't actually understand how to transfer skill because they don't sell insurance. They're so far removed from the insurance space, and these are your trainers. Vet your trainer. Make sure they've got a path of success. Now, that being said, okay, somebody that was a rock star back in the day that now runs an agency and all they do is train all day, if they've got a proven track of what they've done and they're not disconnected from the field, they can still do a decent job. But me personally, I want to work with my men and women, even if it's only a couple hours a day, because I'm so busy training some amazing agents. I'm investing into their success. I still love going shoulder to shoulder. I'm not going to ask them to do a darn thing that I personally am not willing to do, okay? I will work way harder than my agent force, and I love them to death. I respect them to no end. They're amazing reps, slaughtering it, getting it done, taking care of amazing people, working so hard. Couldn't be more proud of them. They are serving their clients with integrity, and they're bringing the best values, okay? and the best products to meet the needs of these sweet prospects. And they've got such a kind heart. They're so good at what they do. I couldn't be more honored and privileged to partner with them in my agency. But let me tell you, birds of a feather fly together. And I've seen the other side of the curtain where people are trying to train you and they don't even know what you do. How can they transfer skill? Seriously, call yourself whatever you want. It doesn't mean you know what we do. The final expense insurance space is a different world. You either know it or you don't, okay? Drinking Kool-Aid and the rah-rah will not help you, but be disciplined. You must be disciplined. You must know what you're doing. You must know your purpose, but quit doing unproductive activities that do nothing but cost you money and potentially could put you out of business. Make sure that you're doing income-producing activities. Always ask yourself this question. Is this an income-producing activity or is this an income-reducing activity? If this meeting is not helping you get better, it's an income-reducing activity. I hope you're charging that person for wasting your time. I've been in meetings that I have felt like I should have charged them for wasting 60 minutes of my life I'll never, never get back. Make sure you count the cost of every moment that you spend in your career. In the insurance world, it will make you or break you. Count every minute. Is it productive or does it cost you production? Think about it that way. The water cooler, okay? Fill up your 32-ounce bottle and go back to your desk. Work, right? And when you're done working, celebrate your success. Celebrate your victory because you are better than those people that are neglecting the most important thing, which is income-producing activities. Appointment setting, face-to-face, telespace, taking care of folks, right? Focus on the most important thing. Don't let anything distract you from the purpose of serving your consumer with the best that you have within you. I hope this brings you value today. Have a great day. Tomorrow's a coming. I cannot wait to get after it with everybody serving the best people on the planet. Have a great day, you guys. I hope this brings you value, but always focus, always, you guys, on income and productive activities, not the ones that just waste your time, effort, energy, and potentially waste your career. Have a great day, you guys.